In this video, we will see together when to use the tenses in French and, more precisely, l'imparfait de l'indicatif. So l'imparfait de l'indicatif is obviously connected to the past. But the interesting thing, and we'll see that in this video, it's that it's possible also to not connect it to the past and use it like that. And the last use that we have of this imparfait de l'indicatif is usually the narrative use. So let's see now with the past connection. The imparfait presents the past in its unfolding. Then it presents the past in its progress too. And it can present a repeated event during a moment in the past. So let's have the examples now to see more clearly what I mean. The first one, quand j'étais jeune, je sortais tous les soirs. So you can see that clearly in that case we're talking about the unfolding of the past. Quand j'étais jeune, so it's the verb être here in the imparfait. Je sortais, sortir, and it's the imparfait too. Quand j'étais jeune, je sortais tous les soirs. Second example, la semaine dernière, je travaillais sur ce dossier. So in that case, you can see that we really want to emphasize on this past in its progress, because it took place during the whole week. La semaine dernière, je travaillais sur ce dossier. And then, j'allais au cinéma tous les vendredis. So we're talking about an event. Aller au cinéma, so this is the verb aller here, that repeats itself in the past. J'allais au cinéma tous les vendredis. So one more time. Quand j'étais jeune, je sortais tous les soirs. The unfolding of the past. La semaine dernière, je travaillais sur ce dossier, the past in its progress. J'allais au cinéma tous les vendredis, the repetition of an event in the past. So let's have a look now of l'imparfait de l'indicatif without any connection to the past. Je voulais vous demander un conseil. So as you can see, and this is something that you can use quite easily when you want to get an advice from somebody, je voulais vous demander un conseil. We're not talking about the past in that case. It's just, I wanted to ask you your advice, but I want to ask your advice. It's in the present now. Je pensais passer vous voir. And the last example, j'avais envie de vous inviter ce soir. So as you can see, and it's quite interesting because in fact the imparfait de l'indicatif can be used without any reference to the past. Je voulais vous demander un conseil, je pensais passer vous voir, j'avais envie de vous inviter ce soir. And these type of sentences are extremely common, so you can use them quite easily, and you will be able to use l'imparfait de l'indicatif in these situations. And the last use that we can see usually for l'imparfait de l'indicatif is the narrative use, obviously. Elle habitait dans cette petite maison. Sur la table, on pouvait voir le journal du jour et une tasse de café. L'atmosphère était lourde et angoissante. So in that situation, it's the verb habiter. Elle habitait. Here it's the verb pouvoir. On pouvait. And here it's the verb être. Était. Elle habitait dans cette petite maison. Sur la table, on pouvait voir le journal du jour et une tasse de café. L'atmosphère était lourde et angoissante.